Hangzhou Jiusi Import and Export Company Limited, established in 2020. Our company locates in Binjiang District, Hangzhou, Zhejiang Province, and has convenient transportation access. All of our products can meet international quality standards. We cooperate with a factory in Shangrao County, Jiangxi Province, and the factory has about 77 workers and 27,000 square meter production area. It mainly produces neck lanyards, mobile phone straps, pet collars, shoelaces, ribbons, and wrist bracelets. The main material of these products is polyester, nylon, PET, and bamboo fiber. In this year, in order to meet the global demand of our market, they now expand our production line with bandana. The factory have their own researching and developing department and can meet the demand of various types of customized designs and size. In packaging, they can accept customized packaging and print logo in the package or product. Besides these, we also deal with a wide range of gift goods such as hand fans, keychains, and festival crafts. There are many good accessory suppliers in our near area, so we can combine different gift accessories items into gift packing set. Quality, service, and new items are our enterprise's life. If you are interested in any of our products or want to know more details, please contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with you from all over the world. Believe us, we can reach a win-win